I recently brought my wife to a Learn to Hunt deer workshop, sponsored by the state of Illinois. Actually, in a lot of ways, we kind of made money that day because the class is put on completely for free. All you have to do is sign up to reserve a spot in advance so that the class didn't become too overcrowded. It was a well-structured workshop covering everything from hunting regulations, firearm laws, age restrictions, all the way up through basic scouting tactics, essential gear, which all the students had plenty of opportunities to get their hands on. I personally want to give a big shout out to our instructors, Dan and Adam, who were not only super informative, but also very approachable. They work together to structure these workshops in a way that allows them to tag team the first half of the day, and then split up for the second half of the day so that every student gets an intimate opportunity to hold and operate various gear such as tree stands, rangefinders, and even take a few shots on a compound bow. Many of these workshops will even include a section for cooking and preparing wild game. Students even get an opportunity to cook, prepare, and yes, eat the meat. You know, most people might say there's no such thing as a free lunch, but the Illinois Learn to Hunt program might just be the exception to that rule.